So the reason I came to this course was because I was at a point in my life where I felt like I almost had no other choice. I had these things in myself that I needed to confront. Something that was very, very real and something that was holding me back from pursuing my life purpose. My life purpose, I feel like, has been ingrained in me for a long time, and I didn't have the courage to pursue that because of fear of failure. And this course gave me the courage. And we went down, we broke through our negative thoughts, broke through our negative patterns, and I realized that I deserve to love myself. I am worthy of pursuing my dreams, and I'm worthy of showing up on my yoga mat every morning. I'm worthy of writing my story, and worthy of building my house, and worthy of love. I feel like I've gone through a spiritual growth spurt. It's been like the most, I can't believe that it's only been like just over a week, because it feels like what I've gone through should take, could take a lifetime, but it's been so incredible, and I'm incredibly grateful to Luke and Susana for presenting this space and for giving me this opportunity, and for giving so many people the opportunity to be able to do this. It's very, very special, and I highly recommend it for anyone who has a life purpose and wants to pursue it, isn't sure of their life purpose and wants to find it, anyone who has been conditioned by society and knows that they want to break that down. So thank you so much.